What's good, guys? I came across an Instagram page called Shoe Bar the other day, and I seen they had some fire sneakers. So I reached out to them and they gave me a $15 promo code for you guys to use on their website. Let's check out their website and see what they have. Also, be sure to check out the description for their information and use code PLUG on their website for $15 off your order. Okay guys, so this is the first impression of the website. We got some sneakers here. These are some reviews that you guys could check out from the shoes that people got from the website. We got some Jordans here, as you guys can see. This is their Instagram link, their WhatsApp link if you guys want to contact them, and their email. So we have the new arrivals. Let's check that out. We got some Como des Garçons shoes. We got some Air Maxes, Jordan 23s. These are chopped, I can't lie. We got some foam posits. They got the Balenciagas. These are in style. They also put pictures of the shoes, as you guys can see. They have pictures of the quality, so you could quality check them. And if you guys are into Jordans, they have the Jordans, every number. They have Nikes. They have Off-Whites, Adidas, Balenciagas, Rick Owens. So they have a few designer shoes here. And then for the people that want accessories, they have belts here. So let's check that out. As you guys can see, they have some clothes as well, Monclers. So I'm assuming these are jackets. Let's check it out. So they have some coats, vests, Moncler. So let's see. This is some more designer shoes here. So the people that want the Dior's, the McQueens, the Lanvins, Rick Owens, you guys could check these out. And they do come with pictures. And also, this is how you order from them. So you go here, you pick your size. So let's say your size 44, your size. You'd click add to your cart. This is how it looks. You put how many you would want. You come down here and you could put in code PLUG. If you put code PLUG, you guys get $15 off your order. So you just click apply code. You get $15 off the order, as you can see. So make sure you guys check them out. And then you just fill out your information. You click proceed. This is where you fill out your info. And you place your order. So we got the designer shoes, as I said. You see they got the Pradas. And all their shoes are high quality. We got a pair coming in from them soon. Let's see if we can find a pair that we got coming in. We got some Jordans coming in from them. So these are the Chanels. Let's see if we can find them. We're getting the Royals. Let's see. Maybe if we put blue. Let's see if we can find them. Maybe we should put Royals. Let's see. Matter of fact, let me try to put the 048. I think that was the number. Okay. Let's try this. As you guys can see, they have a whole bunch of pairs. Okay, here they are. So we're getting a pair of these. And I'll be dropping a review on them. As you guys can see, these are nice. If you guys are interested in anything from the website, you guys can check out the description. I'll be linking all their information in the description. And also, don't forget to use the code PLUG for $15 off your order. Alright guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you guys go check out the seller in my bio. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any new videos.